Hello, welcome back. We're going to do a quick booty workout with a resistance band. So you're going to want a circle band, and I'm using a pretty heavy one, pretty tight, but it's up to you what level you want to work with. We usually get options when we have these. Let's start with the band all the way up around our thighs, and it's really going to stay there pretty much this whole time. So right above where your knees are, and take your feet hips distance, and then check out your alignment. Your knees are never going to cave in. You want to keep them tracking the same way as your toes as you sit low into a squat. Roll the shoulders back, take an inhale at the bottom, press through the legs, and lengthen at the top. Inhale down, press to rise. Really dig into the heels as you rise so you feel the entire backside of your thighs heating. This is going to stay simple to start. It's like our little warm-up. Really focused on alignment, tracking where those knees are facing, and feeling your weight shift back. Now stay low, take a little pulse down an inch. Pulsing down. Keep the weight in the heels. And this whole quick workout is focused on that lower half. So I want you to really keep the burn active whole way through. Let's come back into those presses. Rise up, sit it low. This is the last set of these. And then we'll get a little bit deeper into this. Check in with your breath, exhaling at the top, inhaling at the bottom. Stay low. Last set of pulses here. Down an inch. Down an inch. Feel your weight shift back a little bit more. Check in. Are those shins behind your toes? Now stay low. Shift your weight into your right foot and tap your left foot back on a diagonal, then bring it back in. Right foot taps back and in. I'm not even extending the leg the entire way, but you're taking this side to side little tap. In and tap. In. Now keep the band resisting, right? So it stays taut. And then keep that standing leg super deeply bent. Now let's take it to the side. Tap straight side and in. Side, in. You're never coming closer than hips distance with those feet. But the way out is where you'll feel those outer hips. Glute med. Keep going. Take it to the back again. We're going to do 8 of each. Back and back. Feel that grounding foot really solid. Try to spread through the toes. Feel the weight in the heels. Staying really low. Now take it side again. Right foot out and in. Left foot out and in. I'm just coming onto the side of my big toe when I extend, so there's no weight on that leg that's going to the side. All the weight is on the center leg. One more round. Right foot back and in. Left foot back, in. And I'm kind of going on a diagonal when I go back, right? So you still keep that intensity. Roll the shoulders down the back. Try not to tense up there. One last set to the sides. Really holding in the core, right? Because you're still in a squat this whole time. So that core needs to stay active. All right. Rise it up, lengthen the legs briefly. We're coming back into the squat. New movement. We're going to stay low and take this 3 steps to the right. In, right foot out, left foot in. One more time when you come together. Rise up and extend your left foot out to the side. Squat low, take it to the left. Out and together. Out and together. Rise up. Press through your right leg. Side to side like this. Squat first. Take it to the right. 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 Press up and lift the left leg. Again, left and left and left. Press up, lift right leg. So side to side like this. 3 low squat steps. And 1 leg raise the way that you're coming from. You should feel all the things. Yeah, make sure you're staying really low. Try not to bob up and down so much. Trying to keep that consistent depth in the thighs and that resistance in the band so you're never actually touching the legs together. Nice work. Almost there. Press up, lift leg, and sit low. Last little set of pulses. Just burn them out here. Tap back an inch. Back an inch. You just got 8. 7. In 6. In 5. Get lower. 4. 3. 2. And 1. rise up. Now turn to face the front of your space. Come on down, have a seat. We're going to take this onto our backs. This is going to move pretty quick, yeah? So keep the band above your knees. Lie down, press your heels into the floor, and lift your hips up. We're going to start with the left leg lifting and the right foot is grounded. So right leg is where you're going to feel this the most. Lift your left leg straight up to the sky. Maybe a little bend in the knee if you need. Keep the band tight, but reach your left foot forward and then straight back up. Hips stay high. Foot goes front and up. Your left leg is moving front and up. Press against that band. Down and up, down and up. Just 3 more. Try and keep the hips high. And 2. Last one. Hold at the top. Now tap your hips down, straight up, down, up, down, up. All the work in that right hamstring. Yeah, so keep pressing into right heel and lift the booty up, up. Little double time lift, 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 lift. Can you relax your shoulders and your jaw and let the glutes do all of this work? Now remember, you're feeling it in the right leg. You should be. So we're going to continue working that right thigh. Hold at the top, lower down. Right away, bring your knees in, rock up to a tabletop. Quick transition here, hands and knees. Now lift your right leg up behind you, it's bent. Right knee taps down and lifts up. Tap down, little donkey kick back. Tap down. So now you're just continuing that burn that you were already working in that right hamstring. Now a little deeper into the glute max. Down and lift, hold it up, little pulse up. Up, up. Heel is pressing to the sky. Spine is long. Shoulders rolling down the back. Elbows slightly bent. Another set. Tap down and up. Down and up. We're going to do 3 sets of these. 1 down. Lift. Down. And lift. And try to remember, squeeze the cheek at the top. Every time. Trying not to lean to one side or the other. Take those double time. Up. Up, little higher, press against that band, lift for 3, for 2, you've only got 1 more set, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down and up, down and up. I like to remind myself to get lighter here in my left fingertips, so I'm not trying to lean to the side. Hold it up, little pulse, 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 just 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you hold it up? Stay, stay, stay for 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Now right away, swing your feet in front of you. Sit down, lie down. We've got 1 more side of that. Feet plant to the floor. Trying to make these transitions quick. Lift the hips. Now left foot is your base. Left foot is your base. Yes. Right leg lifts up. There we go. Right leg lowers front. Right leg lifts. Right leg front and up, down, up. Make sure the hips are high. And lift and lower and lift. Right leg is long and up and up. Up. Hold the last one straight up. Hips go down and lift. Think about driving the right toes through the ceiling, down and up. Just barely tapping that left hip and lifting. Tap, lift, tap, lift. Now it's all about the left hammies. Down, up, hold it up, little pulse, pulse, pulse. Make sure you're pressing into the left heel. Press firm, up. Core is strong, really solid in the belly. Up, up, up. Almost there. You know where we're headed after this. Come on down. Bring the knees in. Rock up to your table. Minimal adjusting here. We're headed right into it so we keep that burn. Left leg lifts back. Tap down and up. 90-degree bend. Down and up. Down and up. Try and plug the shoulders back. Keep squeezing deep into that left booty at the top. Hold it up, we pulse, lift, 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 just 4, 3, 2, 2 more sets, here we go, all the way down and up. It's quick, right? We're not in these very long, but the band really allows for that maximum amount of effort, maximum burn in a short amount of time. Lift, down, and lift because you're adding the resistance. And last one, hold it up, little pulse. 8, 7, 6, heel to sky. Go 4, 3, 2. Very last set, you got this. All the way down and up, down and up. This is a great way to burn out the legs, maybe after you've already done some cardio or a flow class. You can check out one of my other videos before this. Let's hold it up at the top. Last little set. Up, 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 up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay, hold 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Ooh, nice job. Sit on your butt. We're going to burn both of them out. Our last section. We'll finish on our backs. Keep the band. Lie down. Feet plant. Find your bridge. Lift the hips. Now we squeeze both butt cheeks together here. Lift, lift, lift. Simple, right? You're keeping those feet hips distance apart. Knees tracking same way as toes, just like your squats. Double time, go up, 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 up. So just playing with the pace a little bit. Yeah, so this quick lift is so tiny, but you feel all the work you've already been doing kind of wrapping into this last little layer. Knowing that we get to finish on our backs, try and relax your shoulders and your head. A little different, crawl your feet together. You're going to lift your heels off the ground and crawl your feet a little bit closer so they're right underneath your knees. Keep them lifted, open your knees wide, then squeeze them in. Knees go out and in. Your big toes are touching. Knees out and in and out and in. A little quicker, go out, in. Try to press. The work is on the way out. Slowly resisting in. Go out, 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 out. Now pulse up, up, up. Still squeezing both butt cheeks. We lift and lift and lift. Remember, this is our final section. Take it a little quicker. Up, up. The knees are staying apart. Go up, 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 up. One more set. We need to close knees in and out. Knees in and out. In and out. This is gonna be it. Let's fight all the way through. Try to keep those heels off the ground. In and out, a little quicker. In, out, in, out. Your hips are still off the ground. Now pulse up, up. Squeeze the butt cheeks to lift the pelvis. Go up and up. Soften the jaw, soften the face, and squeeze. Little quicker. Lift, lift, lift. This is it. Go up, 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 up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's close the legs. Lower the hips. Bring the knees in. You can take that band off because you are done. Unless you want to do this again. Always an option. Drop your knees to the left. Easy release. Switch knees over to the right. Nice and gentle. Just take what you need from here. Your legs should feel extra toasty, nice and worked. Thank you for doing it with me. Short and sweet. I will see you next time.